Hello, today is the 26th day of discipline, and today was quite busy with work, taking up most of my time. Unfortunately, no philosophical conclusions come to mind. However, I'm not planning to abandon my marathon of new positive habits. Just like yesterday and the day before, I managed to accomplish everything. I hope this day won't be an exception. Everything always work out for me in the best way possible because my universe take care of me. And everything for me and my family is going as it should. Thank you and see you tomorrow.